think Apollo is quite different from the other colleges, the other medical colleges, in the sense that the faculty is amazing. They're very approachable at all times, and they're very helpful and kind, and they're always there for us whenever you need them.
This is one of the only colleges which offers something called medical ethics. In training for medical ethics, I don't think any college in Telangana offers this to the students, especially like young budding doctors like us, which I think is a very nice and innovative step for medical students like us.
We have a mentoring program in Apollo as well. 10 students are assigned to one teacher who helps you throughout the year.
Apollo is one of the only hospitals, I think, in India which has a JCI accreditation, and it is actually one of the things which we should be proud of.
The labs in Apollo are very well equipped. The power lab in physiology especially, we have an electrophysiology lab introduced by our own Ram Reddy sir, who's the HOD of the physiology department. I think it's very advanced and helps us in a lot of ways.
We have something called Dean's Hour, like every month. Our dean, that is Professor Dilip Matai, he comes personally and gives us lectures about every system in medicine, so that we have a very strong and clinical foundation to that, and so that's all for us to become better doctors in future.
Apart from that, our clinics give us an opportunity to see all great surgeries which are being carried over at the main hospital. Like today itself, we saw the robotic surgery, a hysterectomy, radical hysterectomy being done.
So one more thing which Apollo introduced to us, actually through Medversity, is a USMLE training program, which is done by I don't think any college in Telangana, which is very good because they go on track with the current syllabus, keeping in view our PG training as well as USMLE. So it gives us a chance to try USMLE training with trying the PG thing at the same time, so it helps us in future, and they provide us with material, and they're giving us an externship which allows us to go to US, and they have a student exchange program with the University of Texas, which I think is very wonderful.
Apart from that, we have case studies every Saturday which enables students from first year onwards to learn how to diagnose different cases depending upon the symptoms, and they help us in finding the various facets of a disease.
All in all, Apollo is an amazing place to study at. By the end of 5.5 years, we're not just a medical student, we're a part of something even larger.